What if you were able to stop a foreclosure auction for someone the day before the auction and then buy that house for $2,500 while taking over the existing mortgage without ever having to qualify for it? Tonight, I've got something special for all of you guys. Two of my students in California have put themselves in a situation like that. And I've got a recorded phone call about 27 minutes long of me and the seller of this house. I'm going to show you right now and how we are buying it subject to the existing financing. This is the best explanation for this strategy that exists on the internet. I've got one-on-one students, all right, in California. I only have two one-on-one students. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Gene Boykin. I'm the founder of the GoGetter Family Real Estate Investing Academy. This is where I teach people suppressed real estate strategies where they can buy investment properties without any credit checks, without qualifying for debt, and when done right, they don't even need any money out of their own pocket down. And we do that all by becoming the bank. So what I have in store for us this evening, it's a special night because I have a recorded phone call of myself and a seller of a property that's worth a lot of money, I would say. So I'm going to show you guys this house real quick that you're going to hear me on the phone with the current owner of that house that we're going to be buying this house by taking over the existing mortgage. I stopped the auction the day before. Now my two one-on-one students found this property in their learning journey. So it's a suppressed strategy called subject to the existing financing. What it does is the mortgage stays in place. We are leveraging the seller's mortgage. So we don't have to go out and qualify for new debt and jump through all of those hoops. We don't need banks. There's no credit checks, no realtors, no appraisers, no inspections. Listen, you can do this in all 50 states and you don't have to be licensed to do it. So I want you guys to look at this house real quick. This thing is amazing. I'm going to share my screen and pull up these pictures. Look at this place. This is amazing. This is their flyer. They were working on that with my dispositions manager and my client success coach, Coach Molly. She sells and does our rent to own program for our real estate acquisitions business. So this is beautiful here. Look at this house, guys. It was only built, I think maybe 5 years ago or something like that. I don't know, something recent. I mean, it's beautiful. Look at this place. This is current pictures of this. Imagine this, guys. And see, everybody out there has a misconception of foreclosures. They're like, oh, the house is going to be all messed up if it's in foreclosure. You don't want to do that. And you never know what you're getting. Yeah, when you do it the way that the Matrix teaches you how to do it, which is you need a big old bag of money and you go to auctions and you bid against everybody that's there that's richer than you. We don't do that. We buy these foreclosures before they ever get to auction. This one was supposed to be auctioned on Thursday, just this past Thursday. And guess what? My students found them. Active lead generation. They put in the work. They talked to the seller's aunt in order to be able to get a hold of him and break the stuff down to the seller. But again, they're new. So obviously they needed some help, which is why they're part of my community and my only two one-on-one students. Okay, worked my magic and sealed that deal up because he was not confident in, their explanation of subject to. So that's why this is the best explanation of subject to that you're probably ever going to hear on the internet. There isn't a guru out here that's going to break this down like I break this down to the seller, but I want to show you on Zillow really quickly what this is saying. Now, we've got it valued at more than $395,000, but the underlying loan on this, and you're going to hear it in the call when I'm talking to the seller who currently owns it for a little while longer. The underlying loan is $300,000. We're giving the seller $2,500 at closing, and this is Zillow's pictures right here. Oh, look. Zillow's doesn't have like the hang up curtains and stuff like Gerardo and Victor's pictures have. Look at this place. This is amazing. Look at that. I cannot sometimes with becoming the bank and the buying free foreclosure strategy, guys. And I'm going to say it, if you're new to seeing me on the internet and learning about these creative financing strategies that are available for everyone that knows about them, knows how to use them, and then knows how to implement them at a high level. Now, if you're part of a community like the GoGetter family, well, then you exude uniqueness in your market as it pertains to real estate. I mean, we got deals flowing in. I was just supposed to be in San Antonio, Texas, with two of my students there that just put their first house on the market that they bought subject to the existing financing. Beautiful house. Didn't have to qualify or anything. So If you're new to this, soak it in, and then you can go follow me on any social media platform and take it in bite-sized pieces. My YouTube channel, that's awesome too.